Hello, my name is Desiree, and as you've seen in the title, I am doing my premium BoxyCharm unboxing. This thing feels really heavy. As usual, I'm gonna go into the box, I'm gonna show you the products, then you're gonna see me use them, then I'm gonna go down the line and tell you how much this box is, and then I'm gonna give you some final thoughts. So if you want to see all that, if you want to hear me talk some more, then please continue watching. So let's get right into this. So the first thing I see here, and it's individually wrapped in its own little thing, that's how it looks in the box, is this thing right here. So this is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour, and this is $44. I remember when this thing first came out, oh my gosh, I want it so bad, but it's so darn expensive that yeah, never in a million years I think I get it in my box. But you know, leave it to BoxyCharm to fulfill my dreams. So it comes with this little pamphlet here, and it shows you just different ways you can use this. So you can sculpt, you can contour, and you can even brighten the face. So I really love that. I really like that it gives you a little how-to guide in case you're not sure how to use it, which is nice. And then this is what the actual package looks like. So it's this beautiful matte brown, and then on this side it's this beautiful goldenly type of packaging, and then this is magnetic. So then you open it up, you get this beautiful mirror here, and then you get all of these shades. So I believe this area right here is for the darker complexions. This right here is more of a medium, and this over here is more for the lighter skin tones. So that's nice. Even though I don't think I'll be using a lot of these, I can still see myself trying to figure out ways to use this, only because I don't like wasting product. I don't see myself just using certain things and then on my way. I think I would probably play around with this. I could definitely see this as a nice crease shade or a nice lid shade, and maybe this can be like in the crease as well, or you know, just something to really play up your game if you're somebody like me who has to go to work in the morning and you're always down for something that's going to help you get ready in the morning and be out the door. I'm all about it. So this, I mean, this doesn't claim to be an eyeshadow, but I would probably put on my eyelids anyway, just because. Okay, so the next thing I see here, and I already took it out of its box because I really wanted to powder down because I don't have any clean brushes right now, is this right here. This is a sculpting duo brush. So this right here is a flat side, and this right here is a more, I don't know, I guess you can use this for contouring, but I don't contour. I actually see this for like concealer. I did try this today just to put some powder on my face. I already have some pre-makeup on. And this brush right here, $30. This is by the Billion Dollar Brows Company. So I believe we have gotten some of their stuff before, and I do like some of it. Some of it was pretty awesome, and I think other parts I didn't like it so much. So this brush right here is supposed to be $30. It doesn't feel like a $30 brush, but I guess, I don't know why this would be $30. It kind of sheds a little bit, but it's very soft. Both sides are very soft. I really liked how this applied powder to my face. It really did a really good job. So far I do like this brush because I did play with it a little bit. Okay, so moving on to the next thing here is my choice. This is the NARS Power Lip Pigment. I got this in Lowrider. Actually, I didn't pick the shade. I picked a NARS matte lipstick, but they gave me the shade Lowrider. So it's in this beautiful sleek packaging, and then you open it up and it's this beautiful, like, to me it looks like a melon pink. Very beautiful, really pretty, very great summer shade, and it has like a nice little scent to it, so I really like that. And if I didn't say the price of it, this is $26, so it's a lot of moolah for just one matte lipstick. But we're gonna try it out. We're gonna see if I like it or not. So the next thing I see here is by Glow Recipe. This is the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. So I have a tiny little sample size that I got in my Sephora favorites. So if you haven't seen that already, I'm going to link it somewhere around here in the eye. you know, the little circle with the eye in the middle, and you can click on it. I'll have that video posted if you want to see my review on that. And I did get a small little sample, and just a quick little update, I did end up liking it. So you do use this at night, and you put this on your face. You're gonna wash your face, you're gonna do your little toner, and you're gonna apply this mask on. And I believe what this mask does is it helps with anti-aging. Let me just make sure. So this is an avocado melt retinol sleepy mask. Is a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado, exfoliating PHA, and the most gentle form of retinol, encapsulated retinol. This super gentle yet effective mask works to improve skin's elasticity and reveals smoother, hydrated skin with each use. Use as a wash-off, flash, facial, or overnight mask for deep recovery. So the next thing I see here is the Living Proof. This is a Restore Instant Protection. So this is a heat protector. This is a weightless heat and UV protection. So you just spray this in your hair, and it's supposed to protect your hair from, I guess, the sun, and of course when you're doing your hair. I recently got into straightening my hair. Not right now, my hair is not straightened. This is just naturally air dried hair. But I did recently get into straightening my hair again, and this is actually something really neat for me to have. I would really like to, let me smell this. Ooh. Okay, it's a nice scent. It smells a little alcohol-y. I can smell like it has alcohol in it. So I don't know how alcohol can protect your hair from the sun when it does the opposite. But nonetheless, I'll still give it a try. If my hair fries off, you know this stuff was not great. So that's awesome. Oh, and the price for this is $28. Oh, and if I didn't say the price for this, for the Glow recipe, this is $49. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at this today. I haven't did a BoxyCharm unboxing in a while, so please forgive me. It's been a while. So the last but very not least is this big old thing. Look at it. It's bigger than my entire head. So this is by Grace and Stella. So it's like an energy drink for your face. So these are face masks. This was at the bottom of my box. This is why my box was really heavy. So you pull this thing out, and inside is a face mask. What? So I didn't want to put on a face mask right now. I really just wanted to get this video up and going, and masks usually take up a lot of my time, and I really just wanted to get this video up and going. And then the inside says, good choice. Awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up this palette here. So the first thing I'm gonna take is this light contour shade right here, and I'm just gonna take this side of the brush, and I'm just going to tap this here and just blend it out. Okay, it's really nice. It's very natural. But let me take on the medium contour and just see what that does. I'm going to apply it to this cheek. And this thing smells like chocolate. Now I want a chocolate bar. Or something chocolatey. Okay, I think I like the medium one better. So it really does a good job at contouring. It's very natural. It's really nice. Really easy to blend. And with the same flat brush, I'm going to take the medium highlight, and I'm just going to highlight under my eyes. Okay, so I can see a little bit of an instant brightness to my skin. So this medium highlight looks almost yellowy. I gave myself a really nice natural looking highlight and a very nice natural looking contour to the skin. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be trying for you is this NARS liquid lipstick. So now I'm going to get into some final thoughts on how much this box costed. And so the box costed around a total of $202. Do I believe that the box is actually worth that? No, not really, because I don't believe that this brush right here is $30 worth. It's a great brush. It's nice. I like that it's dual, great for traveling. It's really soft. But do I think that this brush is $30? No, because I've had other brushes that are way cheaper than this, like the Real Techniques, Sonia Kashuk, and you know, you really can't save money if you buy those bundles that Sonia Kashuk usually has. You can find Sonia Kashuk at Target, and those are really great brushes as well. Those are synthetic hairs just like this, and I think I spent $30 on an entire, you know, kit, like a brush set on brushes. So this one brush at $30 kind of boggles my mind because of that. Now that I received this in my box and I do like it, it's kind of like a weird way that it showed up to my house. So I'm really happy for that because I actually did like this, and it worked out pretty great. Did I think that this right here is worth your money? Absolutely. If you're looking for a more natural type of highlight and contour, by all means, go right ahead for it. But just keep in mind that this does come with other shades. So unless you're a makeup artist and you're going to be using this on other people, or you're somebody that likes to do makeup on other people that have different skin tones than you, then I would think that this is a beneficial palette for you to have. But if you're somebody like me that does everyday makeup, I don't really think that it's necessary to have all of these shades in here unless you're going to try to find other ways to use them. I think this is great right here. This is a really nice matte lip pigment. It dries down really, really fast. My only problem is that when you first open it up and you start applying it on, a bunch will just start going everywhere. So you really have to smooth it out yourself. That's what I was doing. I mean, my finger's pink because I really had to smooth it out myself. But this is a really nice color. It really stays on the lips, and it just doesn't really feel like you're wearing anything at all. And it's actually a really nice pink, like a nice spring pink, a nice summer pink. Just really, really great NARS matte lipstick. Not too bad, not too shabby at all. I really can't give a review on those masks that I have because, like I said, I didn't try them on. It would just take too much time, and I was just too excited to get this video out. I'm sorry. So do I think that this was a good box? Yes, I do. This is a really great box. It came with a lot of great stuff. I was actually really excited to receive this brush, this box. This is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.